Gatorade. Rehydrate, replenish, refuel. Gatorade helps to restore the lost electrolytes and keep a person hydrated during intense activity. The powerful drink that we deserve. Be strong, be active, be an athlete. Gatorade. Rehydrate, replenish, refuel.
Napakainit. Naiinitan ba kayo dahil sa init ng panahon ngayon? Mag-refresh, Shiso, Big 250, pineapple drink with vitamin C.
Tinatamad ka bang bumangon? Pero kailangan nating bumangon. Para sa araw-araw nating mga gawain. Buti na lang mayroon pang sito na naghihintay sa akin. Relax with the natural tea, Sito Green Tea. 100% natural tea, core fresh for you and me in